right, my QuaranTunes. I am staying with Creedence Clearwater Revival for a triple shot of CCR today, a triple shot of CCR. I'm going to close it out with another great one from them. Have You Ever Seen the Rain? Yo, this happens to be an awesome sing-along, so we can do this thing together. Feel free. Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they said, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Yesterday and days before, the sun is cold and rain is hard. I know, been that way for all my time. Took forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know, you can't stop, I wonder. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? One more time, guys, join me, come on. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Thank you for joining me on my Creedence triple shot today. We'll be back every day during quarantine because I can't leave. I've got nowhere to go. So thank you so much for listening to the music, and really appreciate that. And if you're singing along, then super awesome, guys. Super awesome. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep this up too. Be happy. No matter what life throws at you, man, be happy. It is not what you can control that matters. It is how you control your response, your reaction. That's what's up, man. That's where your power is, okay? So be strong.